Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Union, New Jersey. Just completed this inline door and dog leg, quote unquote, knee wall panel. Okay, the dog leg is a terminology used in the glass industry to pertain to this, which is like the little joint of a dog's back leg. There are other terminologies, is a knee wall or a pony wall. Not sure where pony came from, but probably the same idea as the dog leg. So here we have door hinged on a wall. Okay, and of course we have our custom Squara handle in matte black, and a intricate cut here as the pony wall is kind of deep to separate the sink from the shower space itself. And this one we did a single acting door because of the soap dish there. We didn't want to reduce the size of this door too much. It exists at 26 inches, and plus the toilet is going to be at about this line right over here. So we wanted this door to be able to swing but be as wide as possible for the client. All right, and that sound that you hear there is the weather strips that go under the door, back of the door. And then here what we have is a astragal is the terminology, today's terminology day. And it's a single, it works like a door jamb as well as a weather strip. So when you close the door, it goes right up against there. And that's about it. All right. If you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com. Oh yeah, and don't forget, we sell these as well. And you want to replace that old traditional standard D-pull, you can get one of these, and I have an instructional video on how to replace it. All right, so take a look at that on the website. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a banner spider will crawl on your face.